lel ze I ho tak to đó em mi
ui cái lính lo
itel lo chon kan om thei đó em mi
tu na hian dar riat le a chan ve ani to a kanu te ei tur ka tilum me kai ge sa hen mo tanin an lo thleng trep to a chon kan ho phei lo ni chu ka chaw to ke ma hi ka mu tha lo ni chu kan lo te lang sel don ya o tanin tu na hian in dania ka chan me ka mahinga kan ei ter tur chon tuite ka chuang me boka ka thau ve cha ka chon chung te haun lamu mo kanu le ka pai tur puri kan order sak boka puri kan valam do na ka lo te lang don ya o hey noodles na zana kan chum kha ni ta chon in hey apple tur marchamu te chon in dania le lai mane chon hi nge ka shelo heta hianin pe ang hin ta mo crispy tan chu he aram ani chu kha kan tel don ni chu kina kan ei lai te kan lo te lang don ni o pungai tia
hey kan seng thang ni
po nai phau don mi
po na ni kan bu ti ranga tri ki to kan ti
a
kan seng lut liang
khwa vot tran to he amar cha po I po na da chwa da lu ze langa ya dikha na thadon big ti do miก็กติวูรนตามาเนี่ยทอจังข้ามอ่ะ
เราเลยตัวก็
จวนสุอุชวานาเนี่ยเฟลเนี่ยรองกัลมาไทยเนี่ย Good morning อ๋อใจลูกละอีกละเฮ้ยปุ้ยเขาอยู่ที่เราเข็มให้ testing อะไรนี่
มีสายละคัน first testing
อะไรคำเรา
second testing
พี่เนนปูรีกันเลยโดนะก็มาอย่างเจ็ดปูรีกันนูเตรนเข็นมาม่อมกันบอกกันลกไงก็โหตัวจุกปูร์เท่านั้นกันลุงเลี้ยงโดนะอุ้ยกันนูเตหิวอังตีกันแล้วมาเสกก็มีมือเล่มให้จ่าจีบอกเสียเราม่ก็มือเล่มให้ก็จ่าจีแล้วว่าจะวางอินก็จับระวังกันกันป้าเราสิมาสักข้าวจ้อยก็มีมือเล่มให้กันแล้ววัวแล้วว่าโอ้ยวันนั้นเสียขี้ปีโถนะกอลกงมีดรอนี่ตะกี้เราชวกเวเจ้าตัวนั้นเรียนเล่นเวรีตัวนี้เดี๋ยวชวกพอเราชวกระวังเพื่อนเฮ้ยเราเข่งตัวกันนู่นเตะกันชวกชงกันมั้งไปแล้วอุ้ย who are you What's your driving, Mom?
It was good. I was just tired.
Look, you look so slim.
Yeah.
Hey, ay tur kan lau siam saka. Pihey pol sakto mi a crispy ka. Mom, you can put the crispy on top of that thing. This one, it's crunchy one.
It's like a cracker.
Yeah, it's really good. I think, Mom, you tried before. Remember? I bring home some. This one has potato inside. It's very good. This all Myanmar Burmese style of cooking. This one. Api hey god atung mi make honey. So mole tofu. That one is a tofu fry.
I told him we were eating food without him.
Does it want one?
I got one.
Yes, very good.
Make an amazing. Happy can love me all. I say thank you to Auntie for cooking for us.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much.
So yummy. You know, because in my culture they're like, you want more, you want more.
My grandma was that way too.
And then when you first ask food, they will not say, oh, I want. They will first say, it's like courtesy, you know. They will first say, oh, no, no more. And then they'll still ask you, you sure? And then that's when you decide.
That's right.
Oh,
You know how to make this soup?
Yeah.
You'll have to make it for Tory. It's fantastic.
He's gonna love it.
Yeah. And those are glass noodles?
No, the noodles I have at home, remember?
I know, but what kind of noodles?
Rice noodles.
Rice noodles.
Thì ở bảng cho nên cần tổng lấy đây là phải
She said if that noodles left over, they will make salad noodles.
Just add vegetables and stuff to it.
No, she will make some hot oil with garlic.
Oh.
And then add some fish sauce and add some chickpea powder and stuff, and then mash it together.
That's cool.
Like I do at home, and sometimes add shredded beef or chicken.
Now what? Good.
Hey, Hikadu, I like this one a lot.
Yeah, those
Daddy,
are good.
eat one more. Please. Let's fight.
Don't have to tell me twice.
Actually, and he likes his food.
All the way
He
here.
slept all the way here. I just.
Hey, kanu ka ruma ka sway do na.
Oh my God!
Come no ka nga to ka. There.
Holy moly!
I know it's crazy. Uy, holy moly. Tom no ka nga to ka. What do you think?
Yeah.
And I still have that mirror and
What we may do is put one of those bags because you're gonna sit in the front seat because Bob wants to sleep. We may put a bag on the floor and just have you put your feet on it
yeah.
if we can't get them.
It's just a clothing, so.
Yeah.
Hey, kapain ka rumor and oh my, teron tivel bungrua. Oh, this is nothing. There's one more there. I have my mirror, shoe racks, and my suitcase, and this all. I'd say. Oh my God! Why, Puter? Mom, what do you think about my? It's a lot, but the thing is that remember I came home with empty suitcase and one bag, and then I bring home, and that's when I don't have. Then I separate them. That's all for winter. The winter, and I did shopping.
Not take all. I think it's 50.
No, we'll see first, okay?
We may be able to get it.
Kanzo trip to ahe kadar lang vel. Mom, we still have little bit space, right?
Yeah,
That's it, right?
That's where you gotta ride.
Yeah. No. See? Eh, kan lot zo to nga rem na. Oh my God, where are you gonna sit, Daddy? Here?
I'm gonna sit there somewhere.
Oh my God, I feel bad.
Ones on 'em.
Okay. Poor Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, first I'll sit.
Let's say you hot tak to đó em mì.
Oh, uy, galing mo no.
Itel lâu chân cái nóm thầy đó em mì.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Once you squish the air out of them, you'll be fine. You'll squish the air out of them.
This morning your car is full lot. No space anymore.
Can you pull it? You want me to pull it up?
Pull it up somehow.
Galing thấu to ro.
Rồi nghe.
Mo.
Oh.
Puto verglas ko ron hong nga milaw ko mo. Uy, hey, ka kehi po.
Well, it's right in the middle of my back. Should just lift up. Má chào.
Bye bye, Pooh. Look at him. Bye bye, Puter. Oh my God. Apo, apo, driving. Kapahi. Daddy, you still alive?
No, he's
I was sleeping.
It'll make it go by.
I'm good.
Not too miserable.
Wow, so beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hey, Mizo la, ano ka ngay chak tira ka no? I say I make you listen Mizo song.
Who is it?
The song is Tuile. Tuile may means water and fire, because you and me are like water and fire because we are different person.
Yeah.
Our characters is so different, but I can't live without you because I'm nothing without you, like that. Wait, I feel so. Daddy, thank you for sacrificing your son. Oh my God. Are you tired?
I am.
Yeah.
It's because we got up at 4:30.
Yeah. Então zo ve cha khu ti khwan nya. Ta hian kan pa ten Starbucks in do ka hondo na drinks mo. Kan lei do na ka in line lo ka chuanin tung khwa kan thling nga lang ani mai. Thirsty? Okay.
That's fine.
I felt fully. Okay, kan drinks lei chu nei kan win tour na nai. Hi kan pa hi lat jo na hi kay ma ka pa chu caramel tia nunga in to mo. Hey kan lut don chia la zo te office mo finally kay chu ka drinks ka in zo trip to so lo chwa. La zo a ka chuk thei to la kong kar ngong ro de che. I can't get down. Take your drinks. I can't get down.
You'll have to open Dad's door. He's stuck.
Yeah, he's stuck. Oh, yeah. Too many stuff, John. Look. We have so many stuff. Come look the car. It's so funny. I can't even get down. Here.
Take the whole thing?
No, just wait. I have to. Yeah. Oh, you only want drinks? You don't want your wife? Oh my God. Mom, wait.
He said, no, it's all going. She's panicking. He goes, no, car full. She's
Yeah.
Who is eating mocha now? His wife is back.
Halloween, I see. Yeah.
Who are you? You look like my husband.
Just a little bit.
Kan thleng che home sweet home. Oi, ha kanin unload don mo. Ka buai don lo to ka vlog man don to lawa. And kan video te khain lo enjoy ka ringa hei. Oi, ta hi dar lang te ka ho na mo. Okay. It's okay. Hey khat hei vek ni chu. Oi rap thak ve thlo do kan te ka hon ka tuma kala hon. Kan le huna chang ka frozen thai jong lo bo ka theng hil vak ka buai lo to ka hai kan khwa chu long len thla le mai lo enjoy ngai kan ringa in bye bye vek wo kan huan kan tlo lok do na hey lo ro vek to. Oi, look at the chili.
yeah, we need to pick them.
Yeah. Oh my God, all the pumpkin died.
That's what I said.
But where is the pumpkin?
Keep going. There's one.
Hey,
right
hello,
there.
Vek.
There's one right there.
Mom, plug it.
It's off a little.
Yeah, but they're gonna die, so
Oh,
we'd
will
rather. Yeah. They'll die and they will get spoiled. That's so little. Where is another one? Wow, that's so big. We have to be low.
And there's another one right with it. A little one.
Where?
Should be right along.
Or here? Hello, Vek.
No, I thought it was right here. But it's died.
Yeah, don't take it.
Yeah.
We need Caesar. We can come back.
Yeah,
Oh,
it was.
show me. Wow, that's big. Here. Uy, kamarchate. Oh, and oh my God, look at that. Anlaw tayo nga. Some of them die.
See,
Here,
the
to frost.
habaneros are still okay. I think they're protected from the house.
Yeah.
The farther back everything's okay.